How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to send balloons on iMessage. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is open up the contact that you would like to send the balloons to. So type your message. You're going to say happy birthday. And then instead of sending it, you would tap and hold the green send button, so the green arrow. So tap it and hold it. It'll bring up this menu. And then you want to choose screen instead of bubble. So at the top, choose screen. And then you can see we'll have a menu. So we're on the first one. You want to swipe right once. And then swipe right again. And here we see the balloon effect. So tap the green arrow. And you'll see the balloons pop up. So that's how you send balloons on iMessage. Thank you for watching.